Welcome to the Business Cloud Essentials videos. Today we'll be taking a look at CRM. Business Cloud Essentials has its own independent contacts database which can be used with prospects, customers or suppliers. Let's take a look at one of those contacts now. As you can see, the system holds personal information, company information, also notes can be stored against this contact. The contact information himself holds personal information such as phone, email addresses, both business and private, and also address information. Tags can also be stored against contacts which are searchable to help finding contacts quickly later. We can also assign contacts against customers and suppliers or keep them just as prospects. You can also assign them to yourself and therefore that will help you find them quickly later. If you've created a contact and now want to convert that into a new customer record, simply tick the box, go to Actions and add as a customer and fill out the rest of the information. Okay, so now let's take a look at our opportunities section. So from the top, we get a graphical representation of the number of opportunities that we've done and also the values represented graphically as well. The key underneath represents the different stages of the opportunity. We can also view them in more detail here. Changing or updating your statuses is really easy. Just click into a box and just overtype them. Creating a new status is simple too. Simply just click New Status, then select your colour and add a default probability if you want to add that at this stage. The system will allow probabilities set against each one of these stages, or they can be free type across any opportunity. You can also set them as multiple closed statuses as well, so if you want to track whether you've missed a lead time or a project has been cancelled, so you can analyse later which opportunities that you lost and why you lost them and which ones that you've won and how you won them too. Okay, let's create a new opportunity. Let's click New. The new inquiry allows us to add a title and also add some details about the new inquiry. We can select a value and we can select a currency and also a value type. Is this going to be a one-off number? Is it going to be a per week or per month? We selected per month. I'm going to spread that over 3 periods. We can then select one of the opportunity statuses, the forecast date, and also what the percentage chance of the win is, and also who it's been assigned to. Also selected a customer, but you can select a contact as well if this opportunity is for a prospect only. Again, we can add tags as we can in the previous screens. Okay, let's save this new opportunity. We then see a summary of our new inquiry. We can upload any type of file we wish. Simply click on the Browse button, select an item. It could be an image, it could be a PDF file, it could be an Office document, and then simply click the Upload button. We also have the opportunity to change the description. As you can see, the file name doesn't really represent what that item is. This way we can find it easier later. To download, simply click the download icon and this will then be displayed. We can also add notes. Simply add a note. Let's add a title. We can also add some notes. We can say how we interacted with him. This instance we'll pick by phone. And again, we can then select a contact and save that information down. We can also add as many notes as we wish. We can also click the link to the contact and view all the notes and information about that contact. As you can see, we have many notes from this contact on many different opportunities. We can also create events on this record. Simply add a new event, add the intended action, add your details, select an event type, These are user definable and can be changed at any time. Select a priority, one being the most important, and also the event due date, and also a time. This event will be then visible from the summary screen. We can assign a person. I want this to be assigned to myself. And again, if we want to assign to existing contacts or tags for searching purposes later. Let's just save the record down. Okay, let's view this opportunity from the list. As we can see, the new inquiry is now available. It's telling us what the average value is, it's telling us what status is, and who it's been assigned to. Let's take a look at a report. Let's select a date for that report. And let's hit Generate Report. The first part of the pipeline report shows values due up to the end of the 31st of August. The second part shows values from the 1st of September onwards. We can see the opportunity name, the original gross value, any quotes or orders that have been processed against this opportunity, the remaining value, and also the percentage chance and the calculation to show the average value. We have exactly the same from the 1st of September and a total column at the end. Let's take a look at our opportunity. As we can see, new circular table inquiry at £10,000 for the first month, at 70% showing £7,000. The remaining 20,000 is from the 1st of September showing 14k, with an overall total of 21,000. At the bottom of the report, it shows us the values due up to the 31st of August and those from the 1st of September with an overall total value. If we go back to our opportunities list and even show, edit or create an estimate or create a quote whenever one is required. Doing so in this way will automatically populate the quote with information from the original opportunity. As we can see, it's put through the customer, the opportunity, the status and the probability. We can also see from the menu that quotes and orders and estimates can all be generated from the customer tab as well. This concludes our CRM video. Please come back for more Business Cloud Essentials videos.